Your mortgage is probably the biggest debt you'll ever take on. For many homeowners, the idea of waiting 30 years to pay it off feels overwhelming. But here's the good news. You don't have to wait 3 decades to own your home free and clear. With the right strategies, you can shave years off your loan and save tens of thousands in interest without sacrificing your lifestyle. In this video, I'll show you simple, practical ways to pay off your mortgage faster and how to do it without extra stress. Mortgages are structured so that in the early years, most of your payment goes toward interest, not the loan balance. That means if you only ever pay the minimum, you'll spend a fortune in interest before you make real progress on the principal. Paying even a little extra each month can have a huge impact. For example, on a $300,000 loan with a 30-year term at 6.5%, adding just $200 extra to your monthly payment could cut more than 7 years off your loan and save you over $80,000 in interest. The takeaway? Small, consistent actions can lead to massive savings. Strategy number 1. Bi-weekly payments. One of the easiest ways to speed up your payoff is to switch from monthly to bi-weekly payments. Instead of paying 12 times a year, you'll make 26 half payments. That's the equivalent of 13 full payments each year, one extra payment without even noticing it. This simple adjustment can cut 4 to 6 years off your mortgage term. Many lenders will set this up for you, or you can do it manually by making an extra payment each year. Strategy number 2. Rounding up your payment. Another simple trick is rounding up your payment. If your mortgage is $1,743, round it up to $1,800 or even $1,900. That extra $50 or $150 may not feel like much, but over time it chips away at the principal and reduces the interest you'll owe. Think of it as giving yourself a built-in savings habit. Only the savings goes straight into building equity in your home. Strategy number 3. Apply windfalls and bonuses. Got a tax refund, work bonus, or even a little extra cash from a side hustle? Instead of spending it right away, apply it to your mortgage principal. Even lump sum payments once or twice a year can make a significant difference. For example, putting just one extra $1,500 payment toward your principal each year could save you more than $40,000 in interest over the life of your loan. Strategy number 4. Refinance to a shorter term. Another option is refinancing into a shorter-term loan, like a 15-year mortgage. The monthly payments are higher, but the interest rates are usually lower, and you'll pay off your home in half the time. For homeowners with stable income who want to build equity faster, this can be a powerful move. At Free Mortgage Search, you can explore refinance options side by side to see if a shorter term makes sense for your budget. Strategy number 5. Avoid lifestyle creep. One of the most effective but overlooked strategies is avoiding lifestyle creep. When you get a raise at work, instead of increasing your spending, keep your budget the same and apply the extra income to your mortgage. It doesn't feel like a sacrifice because you're already used to living on less. Over time, those extra dollars can knock years off your loan. Now, a quick warning. Paying off your mortgage faster is great, but it should never come at the expense of your financial health. Don't drain your emergency fund or retirement savings just to make extra payments. Your goal should be balance, building wealth while reducing debt. That's why it's important to have a clear plan before throwing every dollar at your mortgage. Take Lisa, for example. She had a 30-year loan but started making bi-weekly payments and adding just $100 extra each month. She also used her yearly tax refund to pay down the principal. The result? She'll pay off her mortgage nearly 9 years early and save over $90,000 in interest, all without feeling like she was living on a tight budget. That's the power of small, consistent changes. Paying off your mortgage faster doesn't mean living with stress or sacrifice. It's about making smarter choices and using simple strategies that work over time. And if you're wondering whether refinancing, extra payments, or other options make sense for you, start by visiting freemortgagesearch.com. You can compare loan programs, explore refinance offers, and see exactly how much you could save. Owning your home free and clear is one of the most rewarding financial milestones you'll ever reach. And with the right approach, you can get there years ahead of schedule. Don't settle, don't overpay, search smart, search free. Subscribe for weekly videos on mortgages, real estate, and home buying tips.